Okay, welcome back. I've been asked how to capture the output from the Hocket plugin and to be able to get that into a Midi file. It's quite a simple process. Create a new Midi channel, set the input of the Midi channel to the output of the channel with the Hocket on it, put that into monitor in, set it to record, and then press record. So what I'm going to do is set the input of one of the channels to this MIDI input channel here, set it to monitor in, take that monitor back to auto. As you can hear, that's the pattern. The only real disadvantage of this process or this procedure is basically that that you don't get to mimic the distribution of the voices. So even then, even if you capture the MIDI output, it's still worth it putting a Hocket plugin on this MIDI channel and then using it to distribute the voices around once you've sort of got a MIDI pattern that you really like. Okay, so I hope you've liked that. There will be more videos. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.